Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Jasper AI, our comprehensive review. In this video, we delve into Jasper AI, a state-of-the-art content creation tool engineered to significantly enhance your writing process. Links to Jasper and other relevant resources are available in the description below. Check them out after the video. Jasper AI serves as a powerful writing assistant, fueled by artificial intelligence and specifically designed for marketers, content creators, business owners, and anyone seeking rapid generation of high-quality content. Its most impressive attribute is its remarkable versatility. Jasper can produce blog posts, compelling marketing copy, engaging social media captions, persuasive email campaigns, and even venture into creative writing territories, crafting stories and scripts. With a library of over 50 templates catering to diverse content types, it functions as a comprehensive solution for professionals requiring scalable writing support. One of Jasper's key strengths lies in its ability to generate natural-sounding, contextually relevant content. You simply provide foundational inputs such as the topic, desired tone, and key points, and Jasper delivers impressive, high-quality output within seconds. Its Boss Mode feature empowers you to create long-form content effortlessly, seamlessly integrating commands with pre-designed templates for enhanced control and speed. Furthermore, Jasper supports over 25 languages, making it an ideal choice for reaching global audiences. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, clearly demonstrating Jasper's focus on minimizing the learning curve. Whether you're brainstorming fresh ideas, expanding existing text, or drafting content from scratch, Jasper adapts to your specific needs. For SEO-conscious users, Jasper seamlessly integrates with Surfer SEO, optimizing your content for higher search engine rankings. So, who is Jasper designed for? It's the perfect tool for individuals managing multiple projects or struggling to maintain consistent content output. If you're a freelancer, agency, or small business owner, Jasper saves valuable time and streamlines your workflow. However, it may not be the best fit for casual users seeking free tools, as it is a premium product. Overall, Jasper undeniably delivers on its promises. It's fast, reliable, and brimming with features that simplify content creation. If you're looking to scale your writing efforts without compromising quality, Jasper is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and start your free trial.